celebrating 10 years, the achievements, what they've done. So we are at the NGRI stall. We have the director, sir, also with us, Dr. Ashok Kumar.
Prakash Kumar, sir.
Dr. Prakash Karu, I'm sorry, sir. And so, sir, we would like to start with you, sir. You can introduce yourself and talk about your
Okay.
organization.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm Dr. Bulusu Srinivas. I'm a senior principal scientist at CSR NGRI, and we do quite a bit of extensive research in the field of solid earth sciences, especially in solid earth sciences. And we have a range of experiments that conduct from planetary scale to the very minute scale, like into nanoscale of experiments. And then our basic aim is to understand how solid earth operates and what are the important aspects of solid earth science, and then how to harness the resources of earth into the mankind. So that's what we do at CSR NGRI. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Bishwet Mandal, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR National Geophysical Research Institute. In general, we generally image the underground structures by using different type of method like gravity method, magnetotelluric method, seismic methods, resistivity method. With this type of method, we image the subsurface, we explore the subsurface for mineral as well as hydrocarbon explorations. And for that, it will be NGRI. We have been seen that NGRI having with this method, NGRI having very very challenging, promising past and very very challenging present and promising futures. Thank you.
Ma'am, you could introduce yourself
Yeah.
and talk about आपके specific subject के लिए या whatever.
Yeah, I am Dr. Ranjana Ghosh from CSR NGRI Hyderabad. Here we came for showcasing our different research activities. The most important which we are doing first time in India is the fiber optic.
Please.
Yeah, first time we are doing it NGRI, the application of optical fiber in monitoring earthquake and subsurface imaging. We use distributed acoustic sensing instrument and send laser pulse to the fiber optic cable, and which is backscattered due to impurities in the fiber. And if there is some seismic activities going on, then the phase change will occur in the backscattered web. So this is the incident pulse on the fiber optics, and this is the, if there is any seismic activities, then there will be change in the phase in the backscattered wave. So this is measured by this instrument. So our purpose is to monitor the earthquake and also the subsurface imaging. So we have first time started in Andaman. It is installed at Chaudhary BSNL Exchange Office, and 135-kilometer underground telecom fiber has been leased in Andaman, recording both near and very far earthquakes. So this is the fiber signal, and this is the normal geophone signal. So this is the first time we are doing in India, and we have planned to extend in many places in India. So this is very effective. Thank you.
We'll take a break. Please come, ma'am.